Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in the next 5 minutes, let's plan about making the next 25 days the most productive ones and the most progressive ones of our lives. I cannot promise that you will achieve a lot of things in these 25 days, but I can promise you that you will definitely be at a better position than what you are today. So NEET 2025 is 64 days away, and I was planning for my revision schedule and stuff, so thanks to it that I got the idea of making this video. If you are a NEET aspirant, you know that the next 25 to 30 days is the most crucial part of your preparation journey, because this is the time when you can finish all the tough topics, clear through your backlogs, do quick revisions, and make yourself completely ready and prepared for the mocks. This video is not only for NEET aspirants but for everyone. So get a pen, get a paper, sit in a quiet room and let's begin our plan. Step 1. Start off by defining your goals. Without defining your goals, you cannot plan on where you want to go. So have a clarity on what you want to achieve. Start off by writing down everything you want to do in these 25 days. Let it be the smallest things like achieving hydration or maintaining good diet or maintaining good health, to the biggest things like long due tasks or finishing the toughest subjects that you hated doing. So once you have a clarity on what you want to achieve in these 25 days, you can start on writing schedules, which is the next step. Step 2. Plan about the path. So now you have a clarity about the destination. Now you have clarity about what you want to be after the next 25 days. So to see you in that place, you should have a proper planned path. So start off by creating a daily schedule and make sure you're consistent at maintaining it. So it does not have to be a proper timetable, but you should make sure that you at least have enough time spent for all the tasks you want to do every day. So let's say you want to start working out. It doesn't have to be that you will work out from 9:30 to 10:30 am, but make sure that every day of yours has 1 hour to spend on workouts. So similarly, if you want to finish let's say if you want to finish biology in these 25 days, make sure that you spend 6 hours a day or 5 hours a day on biology, because you want to finish in these 25 days. It can be any time. You can spend one hour in 5 different times, or you can sit 5 hours together at once, but make sure that your day has 5 hours for that particular task that you want to do. As humans, a lot of us have a starting issue. That's because we plan of doing 10 things at once and we get confused about what to start with. So plan for one thing in a particular time slot and make sure that you only get up after finishing it. And make sure that you have everything planned perfectly, because you should be planned about what you want to do the next week, you should be planned about what you want to do in the next day, and you should be planned about what you want to do in the next hour. That's when you don't have confusions and you can simply work on your goal without any distractions. And talking about distractions, that is the step 3. Step 3. Know your distractions. A lot of time we tend to ignore our distractions rather than working on them, because sometimes we feel that Instagram is distracting, so we deactivate our account and we start watching YouTube shorts. But that's not how it should work. So start off by listing every distraction you have. Let it be from the TV noise that your family room makes to all those apps like Instagram, YouTube, and everything else. So make sure that you have every distraction noted, and now write down solutions for those distractions. Like, let's say you have a distraction of the road noise. So try finding a solution for it rather than ignoring it and lowering your productivity. So write down all your distractions and write down all the solutions. For things like Instagram, Facebook or Reels, YouTube Shorts, Snapchat, etc. Start off with putting app timers, or start off by throwing your phone away and focusing on what you want to be. I'll be honest, this might piss a lot of people off, but to be very frank, if you're actually and really determined about what you want to achieve, even though you have an active Instagram account, you don't even get that thought of using it, because you're constantly hustling, you're constantly grinding for that goal of yours. So if you're still facing issues with these things, as I told you guys, write down your distraction and write down the solution for it. Now, step 4, face the challenges. Just because you planned everything and just because you have everything on paper does not mean everything happens like that, because life is always uncertain. So you face a lot of challenges. You might face challenge in waking up early, or you might face a challenge in sleeping early. So change your plan according to it, change your time according to it, but make sure that the hustle is constant. So there might be a lot of changes until you reach the 25th day. You might have to change your plan more than 100 times, but make sure that you're constantly grinding towards what you want to be. So here is where I want to end the video. Let's meet after 25 days, after seeing the best versions of ourselves in the mirror. Let the dark circles on your face show your hard work. Let those sleepless nights be the award for your victory, and show the world how the best version of yourself looks like. It only takes 25 days, but 25 days can change a lot in your life. And by sharing all this stuff, I hope I helped you guys.